basically what I'm going to be doing here is to be adding a sheet, add a Google Sheet. So I'm going to click on these tools and then look for Sheets, add Google Sheet here. Of course, I want to add my credentials, so you must always add your credentials, very importantly. So add new credentials. I am going to, where is it, click on my Google Secrets, click on it. Where is it, Google Secrets? I'm going to double click here. Come on, what's happening? Okay, and let me click on my client ID, copy it. I'm going to paste it here, and then now on my secrets, delete this, copy my client secrets, copy this, and then I will paste it here. Of course, this should work. I'm going to sign in. So by the way, I have to go and look for Google Sheets and give it access. It's opening up, so I'm going to enable this. So I have to enable two things here because your what's it called now, I have to go and also create a new sheet before I update this, before I activate this. So I've already activated the Google Sheet. Is activating. So let me go and create a new folder in a new sheet. Okay, so I'll just right click on my Google Drive, create a new sheet. Okay, and I'll name it let me name it Salba March 2. Still loading. So while it's still loading, let me see if this one has, I don't know what's happening to the internet, but so oh goodness me. Okay, I'm gonna rename this Salba March 2, and the sheet is going to contain name. Okay, it's going to contain email, it's going to contain phone number, and it's going to contain address. Address, how did they spell? Address is double D, right? Cool. And then let's put a name, just a random name, John, right? And the email is John123 or John123 at gmail.com. The phone number will probably be +234 876 just a random number. So address would be Aja, Lagos. Okay, so this is just like a random thing anyway, it's not really real. So so I've created access to Google Sheets. It's enabled. Now I also need to, we created the Google Sheet inside our Google Drive, so that means I have to go and go and enable Drive. Okay, so while this is loading, I think we can now go and activate our Google Sheets credentials. So let's click on sign in. Sign us in. Let's see if this one is open, still loading. All right, so I click on the email and it's loading. Okay, so Google Drive is, let me activate this. It's opening now. Let's go back to where we are doing here. All right, so continue. This should not be more than 10 minutes video. It's not sure. So select all, and then I will click on continue. Yeah, so let's see if this guy is still opening. It's the funny thing about internet. Yeah. All right, so connection is successful here. Google Drive API is open, so I'm going to click on enable. So while it's enabling, let's go back to our setup. All right, so now for this particular setup, let's see. We are trying to get rows. Okay, we want to get information. Okay, because we want to be able to get information from the rows, you know, and then get information from the rows just so we can, you know, use the information probably for analysis or for anything we want to do, maybe to send emails, you know, get information from the row. Say, okay, send an email to this particular person. All right, that's basically what we want to do. So operation is get rows. The document, let's see, our new sheet should be shown here instantly. See salver match 2, right? Automatically is shown here, and the sheet is sheet 1 because we only have one sheet in that particular. If you can see here, you can see we have sorry, one sheet, sheet 1, right? So yeah, so that's it. So good. The sheet should be sheet 1, sheet 1. All right, so the filters, and yeah, this is okay, this is cool to go. So we can say let me just move this here. We can call an information here and say how many clients do we have in our database. So our database is actually the Google Sheet that we just created. So it's going to analyze and tell us, you know, what we have there. So you can also tell your AI to send an email to this particular person, to John in the sheet, but that John might receive the email because that email might be real. We don't know whether that email is real. So, but if John receives the email, we will not have access to the email, guys. So I will not be sending any email to John. Okay, but you can send an email to John and it will deliver. You can see this tick shows that it is working fine. So let us see the response from the AI. I believe our Google API should be active already. Cool, it's active. So we shouldn't have issues. So it says, according to the database, there's currently one client listed. If you need more information, what's the client's name? What is the client's name? The client's name is AI. You're not smart enough. You're supposed to tell me this client's name now. Don't just give me straight answer. So we should have. I mean, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Sorry, guys. I mean, uh, it's just basic internet. I don't want this thing to be up to, you know. So the client's name in your database is John, so you got it correct, is John. All right, so your next assignment is add another, because you cannot add data to this sheet now. You cannot add data. I want you to add another sheet to this. That would be your assignment. Add data, add another sheet. Okay, another sheet. Okay, and then in this sheet I want you to, you know, we in this operation is get rows. Our next operation is going to be update and append or update. That's going to be our, every other thing will be the same. Okay, append or update row is going to be on the same sheet. Okay, now the idea of this is that I can say add this particular information to the sheet. Example, add this name Sarah with the email address and phone number, and you know, add this to the sheet. So the AI can update the sheets, you get. So that will be your assignment, and I'm going to check it out on Tuesday. So no more assignment on Monday. Okay, so Tuesday I'm going to check out your let me save. Don't forget to save your AI, guys. Very important, please save your AI. All right, guys, it's saved. Thank you.